Welcome you all to another new exciting video tutorial. Today I will show you how do you remove the background of a photo easily. Set a new background and also put photo frame on the picture. For this, first we will open the photo. And let's move to the Frames and Backgrounds tab in the PhotoKaya software. Once here you will see the button Remove Bogey. Just click on this Remove Busy button once. You will see that the background is removed. For this you need to install any latest Photoshop and PhotoKaya software should be installed. And of course there should be a slight difference with the subject and background of the photo. It would be great if the background had a slight lens blower. Then you will see that the background is removed very easily. Then click on any background. The background will be inserted behind the photo. And if you want to change, click on another background again. I will flatten the image once. And if you want to put a photo frame, let's move to this Frame tab and click on any frame. Then you will see that a photo frame has been inserted. And if you want to change it, click on another frame button, only then will you see that the frame has changed. Finally you can flatten and save the JPG. Those who have not installed this software yet, for them, the download link of the software is given in the description box. You can check out more videos on photo adjustments on our channel. If you like the video, don't forget to give a like. Everyone will be fine. Thank you.